Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Busar Tech, and I am going to share the website with you where you can mine Litecoin for free and easily. You can generate big number of profit from this free mining platform. I will teach you everything in this video. If you scroll down, you can check out only 500 users using this website. Almost 0.15 Litecoin deposit. Total deposit 0.01 Litecoin. Already total payouts take place from this free mining platform. Why choose Light Miners? Secure by design, instant payouts, transparent earning, effortless setup, global access, and 24 hours in 7 days monitoring. How it's work? By just sign up with your first pay email address to start your activate mining by purchasing power. Withdraw anytime from this website instantly to your account. How can you reach here? I will provide the link in the description. You can also check out the comment section to be able to reach here very easily. You need to enter your first pay email address and click on start mining. Now your mining will start here automatically. I have already account. You already log into my account and you can check out deposit, withdraw, referral to sports news and FAQ session we have available. You can purchase minimum 100 GH hash power in this website to earn and generate big number of profit from this free cloud mining platform. We also have calculator available. You can purchase minimum 100 hash rate power and maximum as much as you want. You can purchase from this website. Total profit you will receive from here in just 1 week. You can generate big profit from here. And if you go to purchase up to 1000, if you go to purchase 1000 hash rate power, you need to make deposit only 0.01 Litecoin in this website. And you can check out, you can generate 0.0112 Litecoin in a week from this free mining platform. And if you go to deposit at 0.1 Litecoin, then you will be able to generate 0.112 Litecoin in just 1 week. Total profit from this website very easily. Just click on deposit option now. Enter your desired amount of hash rate power you want to purchase from this website and click on buy hash power option now. Then this website directly bring you into your first pay account to make your first deposit to enhance your earning. Here you need to select your currency of Litecoin like this and then click on proceed to payment. You need to make deposit minimum 0.001 and maximum as much as you want. You can purchase from this free mining platform. In this way you can generate big number of profit from here. If you want to increase your earning without deposit, just go on referral tools option. You need to copy your affiliate link over here. Share this link with your friend, with your family member. For each referral deposit, you will be able to receive 15% of the deposit amount. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now after watching this video, if you still have any query or question about this mining platform, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you follow my section, then you are going to generate number of benefit. Hopefully you like it, you love it.